From old school recipes to a new fusion of gourmet Jamaican food, let's check out this Boynton Beach hotspot. And it's always a party here at Jamerican Cuisine because the chef, Chris Rock, and no, I'm not talking about the comedian, he's also the DJ.
It's not just a Jamaican restaurant. It's totally different. It's not like the regular Jamaican restaurant where you go and you get your jerk chicken. You come into Jamerican, you're gonna see food that you are familiar with, but the taste is totally different. Which we do oxtail rigatoni. You have the oxtail, which is Jamaican, known for Jamaican, and the pasta, and it's our most sold, most loved dish by everybody across the board. So that's how we put our twist on it. Chris, his background, he's a Jamaican chef. I call him a herbologist because whatever he puts his hand on, it doesn't matter what it is, it's coming out looking and tasting like gourmet food. He makes a big difference where you come in, your taste bud jumps.
They call me Chris, chef DJ, all types of stuff, but it's all fun. A lot of people mainly only gonna put a little bit of salt and black pepper in this, and that's it. But for me now, of course that's not it.
We have a band every Friday night, and we just started our jazz night it's on Thursdays.
I really love music. That's why when I'm not back here and I get a chance to run out there, I'll be doing my antics. I don't know to be like a professional DJ, but as far as the music or the history or the whatever of it, that I'm good with. I'm very good with that.
The atmosphere is very friendly, it's very comfy. You feel like you're in your dining room, and the food, it just topped it off.